You don't have to use a bunch of different devices to make every surface shine. Introducing the ultimate cleaning solution, the Synoshi High-Quality Cleaning Power Scrubber. Our scrubber is unlike any other on the market. With its powerful rotating action, advanced technology, and durable construction, made with only the highest quality materials, it is built to withstand heavy use and last for years to come. It easily loosens and removes dirt, debris, and stuck-on grime from a variety of surfaces, including bathroom tiles, kitchen countertops, and more. From scrubbing away grime and mildew in the bathroom to removing stubborn stains from floors and surfaces, our scrubber does it all with ease. Cleaning becomes faster and more efficient with its ability to cover a large area quickly. Our scrubber's ergonomic design makes it easy and comfortable to hold, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your clean home. The handle is designed for a non-slip grip, making it easy to maneuver and control, even in tight spaces. Our cleaning power scrubber also boasts unique features such as interchangeable brush heads for different surfaces and a removable and washable brush head for easy maintenance. We are offering a special deal. Get 50% off your purchase of our cleaning power scrubber. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to upgrade your cleaning routine. The same cleaning routine that would take an hour now takes 15 minutes max. The device is lightweight and powerful, has 2-speed gears, is rechargeable, has no cord to be tangled up within, and is waterproof. It is the hottest new trend in the household market, taking it by storm. Say goodbye to elbow grease and hello to a sparkling clean home with our top-of-the-line Synoshi Power Scrubber. Click the link below and claim your discount today.